Do not invest this 2025 in a pre-selling condo without considering this project in BGC. This is the Uptown Modern, the newest and last residential condo in Uptown BGC. Semi-furnished, smart home equipped, and pet-friendly. Meron ding high-speed elevators and e-vehicle parking and charging station kaya naman very ideal for personal use especially on 2031 pag turnover ng project. Comment 2025 para po masend ko sa inyo yung full details. Very easy to secure a unit especially no down payment required. Very prime yung location since it is surrounded with multinational offices and prestigious schools. Walking distance lang din sa mga malls and hospital. And sobrang lapit lang din sa international airport kaya good for rental and Airbnb business. You may also visit my website www.condosinbgc.com para po ma-check nyo yung ibang property na ino-offer ko at yung mga promos namin. The best part of it, expected na tataas yung value dahil maraming ongoing and future developments around the area like Metro Manila Subway and SkyTrain Monorail. Everyone is welcome to invest. OFWs, expats, foreigners, young professionals, and seasoned investors. For more details, comment down below or send a direct message. Salamat!